So once again reviewing some solid American hardwoods over here. Select number 1 grade, American dark walnut or American black walnut. Goes by different names, it's the same thing. So there are a few things about this. The strips of wood go left to right and they're perfect pieces lined up very carefully by the eyes of a master to make sure they blend correctly. Looks pretty nice, don't it? Look at those lines. This is 1.5 inches thick, perfectly sanded, smooth. The quality's there, let me tell you. Really, really nice. If you're looking to replace your kitchen countertops, your island top, your bar, or maybe desktop, or match things in your house and you have walnut, this is what you need. Contact the sponsor right there for more information, pricing, and availability. And yeah, just another way you can stay on the cutting edge and make your house and your kitchen as nice as possible. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Have a great day. I wanted to share with you this massive walnut cutting board. This one is 20 by 15 by 3, weighs 20 pounds roughly. It's made in America. It's the highest quality walnut you can get. Walnut has a slight variation, light, dark, light, dark, light, dark, to utilize the whole board and the whole tree. This is edge grain. These strips are about 2 inches wide roughly. And this one's ready for some oil. So we're going to use this mineral oil that's got beeswax in there. And you just dribble it on, use a plastic bag, and rub it around. It's going to suck the oil right up, and it's going to make it look really, really nice, as well as make it more waterproof and resistant to food. Food juices won't penetrate if you oil it all the time. So I oil mine about once a month, and you should do the sides as well. Okay, flip it over and repeat. So just like this, that's it. Thanks for watching, and these are in stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com. Maple edge, walnut edge grain with random pieces. Red oak edge grain with random pieces. Maple end grain. Liptus end grain. Walnut end grain.